go. 16039. It's actually sealed for your protection. Welcome to Okada. OMG. Okada. Oh, look, it just opens up naturally. Oh my god, we're finally, look at this resort. Look at that resort, bro.
We're finally comfortable.
It's not like Tokyo where they have like, this is where the magic happens. Oh, look at this bathtub. OMG. Michaela, look at the bathtub. You're gonna love it.
Bro, why is it so deep?
OMG, finally we're gonna be comfortable.
We're finally gonna be comfortable after
This is
a waiting.
walk-in closet.
With the bar? What?
Look at that. This is where you check yourself. Let's go to the other bathroom.
Hi.
Oh look, it just opens up automatically. That's crazy.
What?
It just opened it up. Like when I walked in, it's like, okay, it's crazy.
Okay,
How do you like it?
Yes, 10 stars, 10 stars, 10 stars. Hold up.
Yeah, it's the living
There are
room.
noodles. Mini.
But I guess the best part is this view, bay view. Wow. Amazing. Well, that's it.
Swimming.
I hope you like it. Comment down below if you have any questions.